Assalamu alaikum. This is Bushra Online. I hope you people are doing well and your spirits are as high as your churn rates are low. So, today we are here together in order to discuss about descriptive writing. But before moving forward with the topic, I would like to tell you about writing. What is writing? So, basically, what is writing? Writing is a mode of communication that allows an individual to pen down his feelings or ideas in such a way that the message is conveyed in a well constructed text. So, there are different types of writing, and each style of writing has its own characteristics. Now, why do we need to learn about these characteristics? Because after learning these styles, we would not only improve our skills as a writer, but also we would be able to learn ways to connect with audience of readers. So there are four types of writing for that. First is narrative, second is persuasive, third is descriptive, and fourth is expository. So today we are going to discuss about descriptive writing.